Yes, hello guy. Welcome to a piano lesson with Angel Victor. So today we'll be learning how to play the song Oshimiri Atata. It's very simple. We're learning what we can do to spice up the song too. With chords, just depending on how the lesson goes. But the main thing is to learn how to play the song. Okay, so without much talking, let's get into the lesson. The song is done in the key of E minor, uh, relative of G major. So if you are seeing it as G or E minor, whichever one, you're right. I think they both share the same scale. Not I think they both share the same scale notes. Okay, so G, or let's just look at it as G. So we have G, which is our one chord, A minor, which is our two chord, B minor, which is our three chord, then our four, which is C, then our five, D major, our six, the E minor, and then seven, diminish, and then back to the one. Okay, so the song is very simple. Starts from the six, then it goes to the five. So Oshimiri, Atata. That's the also. That's how I do. Then to the three, you're the weaver. Then to the two rather, which is your A minor. Then your three, and then to your six. Yes, that's how the song is. Yeah. So it goes and yeah, that's basically the major part of the song. I think the song is in three sections. The intro. Let me think. The intro there. Yeah, the intro is still almost the same chord. Where the intro we had the six to the one, then something like that. I know those. That's how the progression. The intro, but like I said, I'm just showing you how to play the song and look at how we can spice it. So there's the intro, there's the song, the chorus, and then there's we draw from the river that never runs dry. Yeah, something like that. Like more like I don't know what to call it though. Is it a bridge? Not really a bridge, like a pre-hook. There were basically just those two parts to the song. So we had we draw from the river that never runs dry. Yes, so it goes that six to five, and then to four, to five, to six. Then it goes we draw from the river that never runs dry. I'm not bothered about showing you the fingering because you can see my hands and then you can see the notes on the screen. That's why. So let's see what can we do to this song to spice it up. I know we could decide to source resolve here, source here, resolve, and then take us to the six. So we have that so Oshimiri Atata, Oshimiri Atata. So you're the river, then yeah. Instead of playing the three, we could do this. Make it major, source, make it major, and then to the six. That's one thing. So you're the river. Yeah. Just trying to see I can. Okay, but that's by the way. Okay, so that's something we can do. So shimmy. I think the sus should be here. Then dominant to your. So you're the river that never run dry. It's usually it was 6 minor. It was 3 minor, but now we're making the 3 a major kind of. So we sus it, resolve it. That's what we are doing there. Yeah. So you're the river that never. Just a nice inner movement. That these are little things that spice up the play. Yes. What else? Okay, so let's do it. So Oshimiri Atata, Oshimiri Atata, Oshimiri Atata. You're the river. Okay, so to the to the two, we could quickly do like a passing a 6. So Oshimiri Atata, Oshimiri Atata. You're the river. So it's from the 5 it goes to the 2. So we could do you could do 6. You're the river. Gives it like a secondary dominant passing. You're the river that never runs. Okay, something else there. We could decide to do a passing to the 6. Yeah, so that Oshimiri Atata, Oshimiri Atata, the Oshimiri Atata. So I did you're the river that never runs dry. Oshimi. I did it 7, 3, 6 to like a turnaround to my 6. A very nice stuff you can add while playing. But you just have to be careful in doing all of this. Sometimes the music, something I really like about the billionaire pianist is how good he is, yet he maintains the progression in songs, not too much. He's playing much, but not much. I really like the way he plays. When it comes to gospel music, much is not really needed like that. Sometimes we just need that. Even guys that are not with a major 7, with a major 9. Yeah, just that. Well, anyway, so let's get back. I'm just showing you things that is possible. Yeah, so we did this sus 3 resolved to dominant to a major, then to the 6. Yes, and then we did a quick 6 like a secondary dominant passing to the 2, and now then we did a 7 to the 6. Yeah, so they say, yeah. Okay, so what else can we add? Okay, so from the withdraw, let's look at something. Withdraw from the river that never run dry. Well, withdraw from the river that never run dry. So this source too, another thing you can do here is you can choose not to resolve it. You can choose to just play that 3 like that. 3 sus 4 B. Yes, 3 sus 4 B sus 4. Okay, so we draw from the river that never runs dry. We draw from the river that never runs dry. Instead of river sus and then resolving it, no, just omit it. I didn't plan for the lesson to be much. Basically, that's everything in the song. Well, like I usually say, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe, share, leave, drop comments. In this way, you encourage me to keep doing this lesson. uh like I keep telling you guys, I produce, I play guitar, I teach, I play piano, I also teach too. I offer courses on this. If you like a one-on-one class, or yeah, or if you feel like you want to support us too, you can buy a coffee and I will send you some videos. Yeah, to videos on whichever course you like. I have courses on guitar and piano for now. The production, I'm still working on them. Well, thank you and stay blessed.